அவளை நீங்க போய் Hi guys. Thanks. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Hi guys. Arya Sricharan. Is he in here? Okay, he's not in here. Okay. Shruti, sorry, ma. Today I'm going to extend the class by 30 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Next week we'll plan to advance. No? If I advance, how many of you can attend? If I advance, will you be able to attend?
Advanced meaning?
30 minutes early class.
Oh yeah, I can do that.
Yeah.
How about all the others?
Yeah, I can do that.
I think
I
I
can also do that.
Like every week?
No, ma, just for next week.
Oh yeah, I can do that.
So 6 to 7:30 or 6 to 7?
Correct. Because we are not going to have the class on April 14th, ma. That Tuesday we don't have the class. Does it
Okay.
make sense?
Yeah.
Wait,
Okay.
no, I don't understand. So we're having it 30 minutes early because we don't have class the next week?
Uh-huh. No. Today we have extra 30 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Next week I'm asking whether you can come early by 30 minutes. So that next week is what? Next week is April 3. I'm sorry. Next week is April. Next week is April. Let me see. Wait.
6, I think.
Next week is April 7th. You got it? So we won't have class on April 14th.
Okay, I understand.
Everybody's clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, in the homework, right, I had some comments. First, let me go back to that. Okay. Srihari, are you checking your answers?
Sometimes I try to do it, but I don't have the time to do it.
What, ma?
Sometimes I try to check like the first couple of answers.
My problem is you will have to check your answers 100%. You will have to check and come back if they are not matching. That I'm not saying. You see what I mean?
Okay.
Okay. The next thing is Arya Sricharan, definitely have to see the work.
Yeah, when I'm getting my webcam.
Devansh, for you, I am really not okay with you just sending answers. You see what I mean? I really want work. Make sense? Because I do give you the answers, right? Then how will I know that you did, right? So why don't you show everything?
Okay.
You see? And are you correcting? So both the things, yeah, both the things you need to take care of. One is you have to correct as well as you have to make sure you're showing the work. Jashvita, you have some questions that you did not know, right, ma?
Yeah.
Can you ask them here?
Yeah.
Okay, that you don't know. Okay, so that I have for you as comments, Jashvita, and then Krishiv. Any questions for you? Are you correcting?
Yeah.
Are you correcting your work? I didn't see.
Yes.
Who's correcting? Are you or your mom or who is correcting?
I think I only checked the ones that I was like confused on.
Ah, no, right? I want you to check everything, right? And similarly, Netra, I don't want to see just your answers, ma. I want to see the work and are you correcting with the key? That I'm not clear. Huh?
Yes, I am correcting with the key, but I will
Show the work, right, ma?
show the work.
Yes, please, from next week. And um, you have to have your names, guys. It's so difficult for me otherwise. Naman, I absolutely can't do anything. You're not showing any work, right?
Oh, my bad. Wait, how do I show it?
I will show an example. Okay. Pranav, are you correcting your work?
Yes, sometimes I do.
I want you to really do every single time. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I really want you to. That is a request for me for Pranav. Okay, this week I had a lot of comments. Okay, and then Shruti, I know that you're doing. Shrestha, you're doing, right, ma? And you're also asking any questions that you have, right? Okay, Vihan, I don't see your assessment, right? Nikita, I don't see your assessment, right?
The assignment.
Yeah.
Can I finish it this week?
Yeah, absolutely. But yeah, please make sure we complete, ma. That I think is quite important. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are the things I had, I think. Let me see. Yeah. Anybody else? Did I not comment? Yeah, I think yeah, Naman, I really want to see your work, Naman. Okay.
How do I like give it to you or like show it to you?
Okay. Are you checking the answers?
Yeah.
But I need to see.
Like
Okay,
how?
don't be-
Like, do I take a picture of it and send it to you?
I'll show you. This is what you can see. Hold on. I will show you how usually kids submit. Jashvita, I didn't see yours. Okay, I do see yours, but you have questions you're not asking, right, Jashvita?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I really want you to ask that, Jashvita. That's my only request. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, this one I will show you. Naman, for you I'm showing. Arya Sricharan, this is what I want to see. I will show you what I am thinking I will see, but where is the gap? You have to tell me. That's not a problem at all, okay? I'm not mad or sad, okay? But the thing is, each of us, for me, should have accountability in what we do. Okay, if you come for a class, you have to take up the homework, do. If you don't have time, fine, then send a message, okay? At least do 50% of it and send a message to me, auntie, this was happening at school, so I could not finish, but I have done 50% of it and I have checked the answers. That sort of accountability whatsoever has to be there, okay? Otherwise, there's no point in coming to the class. Now, let me quickly share the thing with you. Do you see?
Yeah.
You see here. Do you see the work in here? I can clearly say that this person worked around it. You see it?
Okay.
Similarly, I saw in several of the things. See, here, do you see? This is also work. You see?
Mm-hmm.
So I can clearly say they worked this out and put this into the calculator. Make sense?
Okay.
And then they have subtracted to find the interest, they have subtracted the total amount from the principal. Make sense?
Yeah.
So like this I should be able to see here as well. Some sort of work. See, there is a question mark, clearly says that he did not understand the problem. But the problem is, just by putting question mark is not enough. You have to come back and ask questions. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Here as well. This is as well fine. Some sort of work I need to see. How clearly given. So some sort of work I need to see. But Jashvita, in your case, the real problem is you're not coming and asking this. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Now, did you get an answer to your question?
No. Number 6. I still don't understand number 6.
Yeah, no. I will, ma. I was asking Naman. Did you understand how to submit it, Naman?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Can I stop screen share now? Yeah, any questions now on the homework? Can I finish the homework this week? I was really busy. Okay, that's fine, ma. But definitely do it. Okay. Ishan, where is your homework, Ishan?
I almost finished it. I had like 4 questions.
But you need to submit, right?
Yeah.
Siddharth, for you, I'm going to provide all the details. Do you have the Google Classroom with you? I'll provide all the details to your mom tonight. Okay?
Okay.
At the end of the class, we can quickly go back and check. Okay. So simple interest, compound interest we did. What are you doing in school? I really want some inputs from Arya quickly, ma. Arya, Netra, quickly. What are you doing in school?
We're doing statistics.
I'm doing probability.
Okay. So we did that, right? Okay, good. Okay. Are you able to understand probability better, ma, Netra?
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Okay. Who else? Devansh, what are you doing in school?
Simple interest.
What is it, ma? Simple interest. Okay.
Simple
Shrestha, you, ma?
We just finished data.
That, and what are you going to do next?
I think we're just reviewing for STAR.
Okay, but I want to move up a little bit, guys. Okay. Okay, you'll be reviewing for STAR is okay. Okay. So I'll do one thing. In your case, then I really want to do the what is that? I really want to do the last part. Okay, the last part, which is financial literacy, which is required for STAR. Okay, I did simple interest, compound interest, I know, but there's some financial literacy piece that I have not covered. So that piece I would really like to go ahead and revise a little bit. I mean, revise in the sense I'll give you questions, let's see where we are, and we'll patch up the gaps. Meaning, those are all based on percentages and stuff. Okay, so let's see, just a minute, guys. So we did discuss assets and liabilities as well, right? Did we discuss assets and liabilities?
Yeah, we did last week.
Yeah.
But you did not have homework on that, correct?
No.
Okay, wait. Okay, I'll be revising that, but let me see what else I have from my end to do for you. So we will be revising financial literacy well, and I will be moving on to some algebra. Okay, meaning to get started with algebra 2, what and all you need. That's something I would like to do going further. But before that, I definitely want to finish financial literacy for you. Okay, so this week the homework will entirely be on financial literacy, which will include some simple interest, compound interest problem, but it will also discuss a lot about percentages, sales tax, and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and try a few. It'll be like a revision. Let's see. But see, these are based on percentages. However, this belongs to the financial literacy piece as well. Okay. So let's see how many of you are getting it. If you're not getting it, it's okay, but let me know. I'll go ahead and do for you. Okay. And then we'll do more problems like that if you don't understand. Marty's Boutique is having a sale. Pants are 30% off the regular price. Regular price is given. So you need to calculate 30% off means it was sold for 70% of the price. Shirts are 25% of their regular price. Regular price is given. Similarly for hats. Determine the sales tax for the purchase of 2 pairs of pants, 3 shirts, and 1 hat. If the sales tax is 7.5%. You can use calculators.
Miss Priya, can I go get my calculator?
Absolutely. Yeah, ma.
Yeah,
Me
me
as
too.
well.
Can I
Can I
get my
go get my
calculator?
calculator?
Quick, ma. Quick. On another note for this class, guys, I really want you all to do something extra. So I'm going to assign that to you. I'll show you in the class today. You are all going to start working on that from this week. Shruti, are you still working on Alchemist?
I haven't done it for a while.
I'm going to bring this to this classroom.
Okay.
Guys, you're going to bring the answers. If you don't know, then I'm going to intervene and do this. Okay, this week the entire homework will be on financial literacy. You get it, guys? I'll check the answer as well. Let me see. Devansh, did you send the answer, ma'am?
No, not yet.
Okay. Okay, Siddharth, are you able to do?
Yes, I'm still doing it.
Okay, take your time. But you can use the calculator on this one. Arya Sricharan, what is the question? They're asking for the sales tax, right?
Oh, okay. I thought it was the full total.
Yeah, but reading the question is a very important part, right?
Awesome answer.
Vihan, good job. Sreshta, is it right, ma? I don't think it's right, ma. You missed by something very small. Not really, ma'am. You cannot round, okay? Nikita, there is some issue for sure. Meaning you're making subtle mistake, but the answer is not acceptable. Achacho, Naman, please read the question, Naman. Determine the sales tax, right?
I fixed it.
Sure, ma'am. Yes, correct, ma, Sreshta. Correct, Arya. Okay, Jashvita, where is that you don't know, Jashvita? Pants are 30% of the regular price. So first you need to calculate 70 by 100 of 23.50. That's the price of the pant. But you're buying pant. So but how many pants you're buying? You're buying 2 pairs of pant. Then what you're buying? Shirt. 25% off means it's sold at 75 by 100 times 16.25. You're buying 3 shirts, right? 2 pants. Then hat. They're 15% off their regular price means it is at 85 by 100 of 9.75. How many hats are you buying? 1 hat. That's it. Now you're going to add all of these. Whatever you get, you're going to add. I think you're getting 83 point what, ma, Sreshta? When you add all of these, yes, ma, Shruti correct, Sri Hari correct.
125.
83.125, yeah?
Yeah. Well, after you subtract, when you add it, you get 77.75.
77.75. Thank you, ma. So that is the total value of this. Put it in the calculator, you'll easily get this. And then 7.5 sales tax means 7.5 by 100 of 77.75 is this is the sales tax. That will be 5.83. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
Yep. Jashvita, are you following, ma?
I don't get the last step.
Last step is the sales tax is 7.5% of the total you owe. This is the money you owe to the grocer or the shop owner. In that, you have to pay an extra sales tax. Sales tax is 7.5% they have given. 7.5% of the bill you have to add and give. So you will have to add this with this many dollars and then give it to the shop owner. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes, please, I'm here. Tell me.
Where'd you get 70 over 100?
70 over 100. Okay. Here, if something is being sold at 30% off, let's say the value of that was 100, then it was sold for $70, right? The discount was 30%.
Oh, okay,
That
no,
means it was sold at 70% of the original price. Similarly, if the discount was 25%, it was sold at 75% of the original price. If the discount was 15%, it was sold as 85% of the original price. Make sense?
So it's 77.5 over 100 because it's added to that?
Now they're saying sales tax rate is 7.5%, meaning suppose if you buy goods for $100 from a store, for every $100 you pay 7.5. 7.5% means 7.5 per 100. 7.5 for every $100 you spend. But you have only spent 77.75. You got it? So you have to calculate 7.5% of the total bill. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Siddharth, did you get it?
Yes, a little.
Oh, where is that you didn't get?
I didn't really get why you added up.
Because I am buying all of these from a store, right?
Oh, okay.
This is my total bill value. To the total bill, I have to calculate 7.5% of that bill.
Oh, okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, you can raise and ask. Can I move on? Okay, in the simple interest compound interest problem, you did not. What was your question, Jashwita? I forgot, and you're also keeping quiet, which is really concerning. What was your question? What
I
question
think it
number?
was number 6.
What else were your questions?
18 and 20.
Okay, let's try this one. What was your question here? This I am going to solve. I'm not going to give it to everybody because it's an easy question. He opened a simple annual interest account. How long? This one we did in class, right? Because here interest was PNR, right? PRT, right? Rate of interest by time. Now, how long will it take Emily to double the initial money? Initial money was P, correct? Correct?
Yeah.
So, this is the interest given. So, the total money is what? Total money is the total amount you get, that will be interest plus principal, correct, ma?
Yes.
Now, the thing is, your amount should become 2p, 2 times the principal. The money you invest in should become double. The money you invest in is p, 2p is double that money, correct?
Yeah.
For the amount to be 2p, this should become p, correct?
Yes.
So I can equate interest to principal, correct?
Yes.
So now I should get principal, okay. How long will it take Emily? Suppose if she invested $4,000, right? Hold on. Basically, the amount should become 2p, means what will I do? This is okay. Interest is PRT, right? PRT plus P will be equal to okay. How long will it take? Oh, okay. So this is 2p. Do you see it, ma? The amount is double the principal. Interest is PRT, but the amount should become, amount is always principal plus interest, right?
Yes.
Amount has to become 2p. The amount that you get in hand, right, should be double the principal you invested, correct? So
Yes.
2p will be equal to 4,000 times 5 by 100 times t plus another 4,000. Make sense?
Yes. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So the thing is 2p is 8,000. You got it, ma?
Yeah, because you doubled it.
Yes. Yes, Sri Hari, what is your question?
I don't think I had a question.
Okay.
Did I? Oh yeah. No, I didn't.
Okay.
Yes,
What
Priya.
was the next question? Yes, ma?
Can I go to the bathroom real quick?
Please go. Jashwita, tell me 20th was your question, huh?
Yeah.
20th was your question, huh? Okay. So the last, this I'm going to ask everybody to try. Let me see. Kaden decides to attend community college. She can pay her cost for attending in 12 monthly installments with no interest. This question is not fully oh. Okay. Here we go. Kaden decides to attend community college. Now, this is community college, this is university. This is community college, this is university. She can pay her cost for attending school. Okay, she can pay her cost for attending school in 12 monthly installments with no interest. That's not a hard one, right? You're going to add all of this divided by 12, right? Jashwita, what is hard about this?
I didn't understand the question that well.
Oh, there you have to read. When you read, right, this is the total cost for the community college. Add all of this divided by 12. That is the monthly installment.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to move on here. Okay, so in the financial literacy piece, remember guys, always when you buy something from a store, there are states that don't have a sales tax. Okay, states like New Hampshire does not have sales tax associated with the purchase of any with the purchase of any good at a store, right? They don't have a sales tax associated. However, states like Texas do have a sales tax. Whenever you buy anything, 8%, approximately 8 or 8.75% of that, whatever you buy. Suppose you buy a coat for $60. So they will take 8% of 60 as extra sales tax that you need to pay. Make sense? Sales tax is the tax associated with the sale of any product, and usually states define that. In the sense, Texas levies around 8.75% of the total bill you need to pay as extra. Make sense? Okay, now let's go ahead and try a few more. Okay, so okay, this one I have not taught you guys. Oh my god, this is a big one. Okay, I'll come there. Okay, now you're going to try this one. Please guys, I really want all of you to get this because it is exactly a practice problem for the flavor one that we did. Come on.
Wait, can we use a calculator?
You can use a calculator, yes, on this.
So, ma'am, so what we're doing here, we're just adding the two prices and then just calculating the sales tax, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Only thing I want you to get used to, not make mistakes on that.
We round. Are we supposed to round the answer?
You're supposed to round the answer, okay? You need the answer to be rounded to 100th place, ma. You have to round your answer to the 100th place. Please do the homework, guys. We are trying hard to do well.
Okay.
Yeah, I also see certain things we study not just because we have to do it in school, but the intent is, see, you're all going to become adults, you're all going to pay taxes, right? So as a part of this, right, in 7th grade they also teach how to calculate the taxes for IRS. When you become 18, you start earning, then you will have to pay tax to the government, right? So they give you a chart. Basically every year they give you a chart. Using that chart, you should be able to calculate your tax. Suppose tomorrow you earn $20,000. So what is the tax you will pay? If you earn $20,000, you don't pay tax on all the $20,000. Okay, so tomorrow you get $300,000 as your income. Then you pay tax on it. Okay, you don't pay. See, a person getting $20,000 as income pays less tax than a person who earns more. More pay, more tax. So there are the calculation of taxes is a little bit complicated in the US. So you should know how to calculate what tax you have to pay to the government every year. So that's given as a part of your 7th grade. So we are going to do that today. Yeah, I'm checking the answer, ma. Sorry, I didn't check. No, Netra, that doesn't seem right, ma. But yeah, I don't know why. Let me see. It's just direct plugging in, right, ma? Siddharth, correct. You can be confident, Siddharth. Ishan, incorrect. What did you do, Ishan? Can you explain? Krishav, not really.
Myra.
Srihari, correct. What is it, ma? Pranav, correct.
Correct.
Shruti, correct. Arya, correct. Sreshta, correct. Naman, correct. Krishiv, can you tell me what you're doing?
I did 134.45 plus 22.55
Yes, Jashwita, did you do?
plus
Yes,
and
I
then
said the
times
answer.
0.0825. Wait, I know what I did wrong.
Nikita, correct, ma. Vihan, correct. Jashwita, incorrect. Devansh, correct. Jashwita, what did you do, Jashwita?
I added 134.5 with 22.55 and got 157.
Okay.
Then I added
Then you need to calculate what is 8.25%. Of that means sales tax is this means you have to calculate 8.25% of your bill. You got it? 8.25% of your bill means off means multiply 22.55. This is what you need to do. Answer will be 169.95.
Wait, Miss Priya, I don't understand how you got 169.95.
Is it incorrect? I don't know. Wait, let me see, ma. 157, ma.
Isn't it 158?
Is it 158? 4, 5, 6. No, I got 157, right?
Yeah, same. I was 157.
Yeah, and then 8.25% of 157. Does it make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. And then a big question will be on rebates. Let me see. The total worth, net worth we did last week. I'm not going to do this week. Yama, family budget is important. That you can do by yourself. It's not a hard one. Yeah, I would like you to do this one. Yeah, this is a good one based on okay, that's a good one. What is the amount of interest alone? Yeah, this is a good one. I'm going to wait and watch. Yeah, you're going to try this one. This one is a revision.
Miss Priya, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it simple interest or compound interest?
You tell me. You read it and tell me. Good question, though. You read
Oh,
the.
it's compound. It's compound.
See, good, good. It's good to ask. Good. Devansh, do you know how to calculate?
Sort of.
Huh?
Yeah, sort of.
No, I want you to do it on the board directly.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Do it on the board directly, right away. No thinking. Oh my God, everybody is making a mistake.
What?
Yeah, you go ahead and do. You did it correctly, looks like, but let me see. Srihari, that's not the answer, Srihari.
Okay.
But the others who have given the answer, everybody went wrong with the same issue. I'll explain. Go ahead. So what did you do?
So I did the percentage I multiplied by 5 and I got what is it? Is it
Devansh, I want you to explain with no intermission.
So what I did, I multiplied 4.5 the percentage by 5 because like it's annually. And then I did I used 22.5 by
What is 22.5?
when you multiply this, it would be 22.5.
Okay, let me see. What are you doing? Let me
Right?
see. 4.5 is rate of interest, and then you multiply T. Okay. Then what?
Then I put the the new one here and this 2.5 and then multiply it by 40 and then I got that. And
And
then
then
I
you
got
got what?
169.94, but then I rounded it, so I got this.
Devansh,
Yeah,
are you working this problem out?
yeah, this one, right?
So what is the answer? What is your answer?
I got 169.14.
That's not
And then
the answer at all. What is going on, Devansh?
oh, I rounded it, so it'd be here.
You're getting an answer of 69, right?
69?
What is this? Okay, guys, wait, guys. What is this?
Oh no, this is not 69, my bad. I wrote that out. Got 150.
Miss Priya, send my answer.
1 second, ma. I'm serious with this. Whatever is going on, Devansh. What is that?
14, 150, 575.14. And then I rounded it and got this.
Okay, let's find out. Let's go to the calculator. Do this and tell me if it is like this. 22.5 divided by 100 times 6400. What do you get? Tell me. Otherwise, I'll bring up the calculator and do it now.
Okay, let me do that.
Yeah. Guys, you're going to wait whatsoever. Okay. This seems so serious to me. Come on, do it in the calculator and tell me
Yeah, right now.
what did you get?
64, and then point, okay. I got 14.4.
Huh?
I got 14.4.
14.4. What are 14.4? What is this? 1575.14. What is that? What is this? I am really not understanding what's going on.
Miss Priya, isn't the formula wrong?
I'll come there. Sreshta, I'll come there. I'll come there. Just please hold on for a few minutes. Okay, Sreshta?
Okay.
No, I don't want anybody to be. See, if you are doing something else there and if you are trying to get help from external resources, I will be the first person to find out. Okay, even if you're there and I'm here, I'll be the first person to find out. So I really do not want anyone to do that, and I will not continue classes if I find it. So, Devansh, you're going to explain to me what's going on here. What did you do, Devansh? Sreshta, did you get the answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody made the same mistake. Whoever answered got answer as F. Whoever did it correctly tried getting F. But that's not the answer. Okay, let me go ahead and do. Devansh, did you get it? I want an explanation of what are all these.
What is it? I did the wrong thing. So, 4.5, I don't think you're not supposed to multiply it. You're supposed to, what is it? You're supposed to put it into 40 and then multiply it by 5.
So what are you going to do in this?
So, what would I have to do is technically you put 4.5, and then it would be 100, then times it by 640.
You can write out whatever you got, you can write it out for me.
Yeah, I'll write it on the screen.
I'm going to wait. Yeah, go ahead. Even if it is going to take time, I'm going to take time out of the class. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
400.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, when I put it in the calculator, I only put 64.
Okay, so what? Even if you put 64, what happens?
I get H.
Hmm?
I get H.
And how did you get the correct answer in the chat? How did you get the correct answer in the chat? Okay, now I'm going to go, okay? I'm going to erase everything on the board. I'm going to explain, but at the end I want to talk to you, okay? Okay. Cheryl made a one-time deposit at Eagle Savings and Loan, okay, of 6,400. So she made a deposit, okay? That is the investment principal. That's called the principal, that the initial amount she's investing, okay? Everybody got the answer as F. Unfortunately, the answer is J. I'll tell you why. The bank offers the rate of interest is 4.5%, okay, compounded annually. You know, the formula for compound interest, this is again and again I'm telling guys, this is the amount you get in compound interest. Last week as well I said, you will all make a mistake if they ask for the interest, and I showed you how to calculate the interest. This is the final money the person is going to get. Okay, this amount includes the investment amount as well. Okay, so this is P times 1 plus R power T. Principal is 6,400. 1 plus 4.5% is what? Decimal. 0.045. You're going to have it power T. Now 6,400 times 1.045 power 5. When you put it in the calculator, wonderful, you're getting this, right? 7975.56. This is the amount. Amount means this amount contains the principal as well, contains his investment account. So the interest is the extra amount he earned other than the amount he put in. So you have to subtract the amount from the principal. 7975.56 minus 1575.56. So that accounts to how much, ma? Something feels wrong. 6,000, sorry, ma. This principal is 6,400, ma. 6,400. So that ends up in 7551575.56. Any questions? Any questions?
Oh yeah, Miss Priya, about the formula. So I get everything else, but why do we plus 1 the rate?
Oh, that's because, okay, let me go ahead and explain that. Here, see, 6,400, the first year, think about it. What happens to the money? In the first year, if it is going to increase by 4.5%, that means what? The money, 6,400, is going to become 104.5 divided by 100. Meaning 100% of the amount that you invested is 6,400. Okay, the amount is going to increase, meaning it's going to become 104.5% of the money in the first year, right? So for the second year, it's compounded. This is going to be your principal, and then if this is your principal, the second year end, it's going to become 104.5 by 100 of the first year amount. This is your second year principal. Third year, it's going to get multiplied with 104.5 divided by 100. Am I making sense? That is why this 104.5 is what? 1.045. This 1.045 is going to be powered that many years. You see?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So the thing is, suppose if you start with 100, let me explain this one more time. Suppose we start with 100, okay? See, the compound interest is very powerful. Suppose if I charge 10% interest, let's say. So at the end of the first year, what happens? 100 plus 10% of 100. What is that? Let's see. What is 100 plus 10% of 100? It is going to be $110, right? Instead of this, what I am saying is that 100, if you multiply by 110 by 100, 10% means 100% becomes 10% extra, 110% of 100. So directly I am calculating this. Second year, what happens? This 110 is your principal, and then that money becomes 110% of 110. What happens here? 110 plus 10%, 10%, right? Now, 110 was your principal, and then 10% of 110. What happened to the money? Here, it becomes 110 plus 11, 121. See here what happens? See, 11 times 11, 121. So, what happens is your money's value is 100%. Whatever you have is 100%. But then it increases by 10% means it becomes 110% of the original value. Did you get that, guys?
Yeah.
Every year the same thing gets repeated. So, here P times, why are you adding 1 plus R? 100% is your original principal. That means, see, here P plus your rate of interest times P you're doing, right? Here that's what you're doing. Principal plus rate of interest times the principal. That's what you're doing. Make sense? Okay. Now let's...
Wait, ma'am.
Go ahead.
The rate of interest is when you pulled up the thing, was it 10 by 100 or was it just 100, the rate of interest you put?
Rate of interest is the decimal value of the rate. 10 by 100 is 10%. That means 0.1. So 1 plus 0.1. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Rate of interest is always a decimal. When they give it to you in percentage, you are going to calculate the decimal value and then substitute it in there. Now, I really want to do this tax, how to find out the tax dollars. Okay. So, guys, IRS releases a chart, I told you, right? So, this is the tax. This is the dollar money. We are going to do this, okay? Let's see. Okay. See, this is the chart that IRS gives every year. See, the 2014, in reality, meaning whatever, this was the real tax table for 2014. Based on this table, we are going to calculate the tax for Abhilaya. Abhilaya is making $125,000, meaning for the year, she was able to make $125,000. Okay, every year what you do, you get this chart from IRS. It is available on the internet. For this year, if you put 2026 tax table, they'll put it. They'll have it. Now, for this $125,000, how are we going to file taxes? Calculate the taxes. See, first of all, you need to identify which column you belong to. Am I a single filer? Yes, when you're a student, you'll be a single filer. Okay, when there is a married couple, they can either file jointly in the same document, or if one of them is not working, right, then he will, the person who is working in that house, he will file as head of household. Why? Why are there so many differences? If both are working, the money coming into the family is more. So, you will have to pay a higher tax. Higher tax. Whereas, when only one person is earning, the amount of money coming to the family will be less. So, you will be paying a lower tax. So, like that, the system is designed in such a way, the more pay you get, the more tax dollars you will owe to the government. That is how our tax system works. Now, let's say you're a single, Abhilaya is as a head of household, she is the only breadwinner in her family. So, she can go to head of household filer. She'll go to this column. $125,000 she is earning. So the way this works is 0 to $9,075. In that $125,000, from 0, $125,000 will be split. So first she'll calculate the first $9,075, meaning in that $125,000 we are going to subtract the first $9,075. Okay, now the first $9,075 is charged at 10% interest. For that $9,075, if it is 10% interest, so 10 by 100 times 9,075, this will be the tax. Any questions till here? Any questions till here? 907.5 is the tax amount for the first $9,075. Okay?
I don't understand something.
What is it?
What does it mean when it says 0 to 9,075? What if you make like in the middle of that? How much would you like? Why doesn't it just give you 9,750?
I'll explain. See, Ma. Okay, let's say I earn $5,000. Okay, meaning what this table says is from $0 to $9,075, every penny I earned, right, will be subjected to 10% interest.
Miss,
10% tax.
If you make in between that, and if you make more, it just comes out of your total.
Yeah, meaning if you make more, let's say I make $10,000, but don't worry about Abalaya, okay? I make $10,000. In that case, the first $9,075 of my income will be charged at 10%. What is remaining? There is a $925 remaining, right? That $925 will be charged at 15% interest. Make sense?
Okay, I understand.
Any questions? Arya, did you get it?
Miss Priya?
Yes.
Why did you use 9,075 if her total is 125,000?
Yeah, I have not finished that. That problem is huge problem. Okay, now I am just telling my income was $10,000. Let's say I earned $37,000. Let's say I earn an income of $37,000. I'm going to calculate the tax for me. Okay, for the year I earned $37,000 in 2014. Let's say, you know how it is calculated? For the first 9,000, my income I already earned $37,000. In that, the first 9,075 I earned, right? That will be charged at 10%. So for that I will be paying $907.5. Okay. Now that 9,075 will be subtracted from here. You get it? Meaning that will be subtracted from here. So what happens here? Let's see. This is 7. So I have still 27,925 I have. Do you see it? Am I making sense?
So for each
go ahead.
For each row you subtract.
Exactly correct. So what I'm saying is, first I earned, let me put it down again, $37,000 is my income, right? In that I utilized the first $9,075. I am paying 10% of that 9,075. Okay, the next slab comes to 9,075 to 36,900. I am not yet finishing my slab. I am going till 36,900. So how much money is this? How many dollars is this? I need to calculate. So I'll go to 36,900 minus 9,075. Whatever is there, right? We calculated, right? Now, just now we calculated. What was that? 5, 2, and then 8, and then what? 7, 27. 27,825 or 27,725? What is that? 2, 8. Yeah, 27. This money is 27,825. So for the first 9,075, I paid 907.5 tax. Now for this one, right, I will calculate 15% of this. 15 by 100 times 27,825. That is paid as tax. Got it? And now I am not yet done. I have only calculated till 36,900, but I earned $37,000. So that is $100 more. That $100 will fall into this slab. So I'll be paying 25% of $100 is $25. So I will add these three amount and then calculate my tax. The sum of these three will be my tax. Now, any questions? I'm open. If you didn't get it, I'm open. Come on, guys.
Yeah, why did you use 1001? When you're timesing it by 975.
What 1001?
When it's a 10 by 1000 by 1.
10 by 100 I did. 10% of that money.
Oh.
Wait, when you subtract 36900 from 9075, isn't it 9076?
See, the 9075 only you subtract, right? Because that $1, it's not 9076 because see here, $1 to $5 and then they're saying $6 to $10, right? So the $5 only was already accounted. Okay, the $6 was not accounted. So 36,900, what is already accounted? For this thing only I already paid 907.5. So you need to subtract 9075 only. You got it? Naman, am I making sense? No?
A little bit, yeah.
No. Why am I not making sense? See, for every money, every penny you earn, it has to incur a tax. Okay? So, of the money $37,000, you are accounting for the first 9075. 10% of that is calculated. Now, we only marked till $9,075. $9,076 I have not accounted. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So, from this slab 36,900, you have to subtract whatever is already accounted for. Then only I'll get the remaining part which was not accounted for, that is slabbed at 15% interest, 15% tax. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's say you're earning $11. My slab is like that, 1 to 5, 6 to 10. Now you're earning, let's say $6. If you're earning $6, right? For the first $5, I'll pay this tax, 1% tax. Makes sense, Naman? For the first $5, I'll pay 1% tax. I'm earning $6. For the first $5, I'll pay 1% tax. Then, how many more dollars are there?
1.
1. See, that 1 is there. So, you have to subtract only the 5 to see the remaining. You should not subtract 6. You got it?
Yeah.
So, the same way it works here. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Any questions here?
No.
No.
Anybody else, any questions?
No.
Okay. So, how does the slab work? If she's earning $125,000, the calculation will go till here. Okay, because this $125,000 falls in between this. But the problem here is a bigger problem. First 9,075 should be charged at 10% interest. Then, till this money, you have to subtract 36,900 minus 9,075. That money should be subjected to 15% tax. And then, from your $36,901 to $89,350 should be subjected to 25% tax. And then, from that $89,350, if you subtract, right, you will get some money, right, till $125,000. So, that piece of the money should be subjected to 28% tax. All the 4 values should be added to calculate the total tax. Make sense?
Isn't that like all of her money though?
Yeah, every penny will incur a percentage of tax.
So whatever she has left over at the end of all of that is what she can use like later.
No. What she can use later is 90% of this, because 10% she paid as tax. 90% of this she'll be using for her expenses.
Oh,
You go, ma. You got it? So similarly, the money between this, right? Let's say she paid 15%, but again from here she got 85% of this difference. You got it?
Yeah, so the more money you make,
correct,
less amount of that you can use.
Yes. So the more money you make, the more tax you pay. Got it?
Yes.
Good. So that's how life works with respect to tax. So this practical aspect of it, it's important that you guys learn. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Who didn't get it? Please ask questions if you didn't get it.
Miss Priya.
Yeah.
So when you're finding the tax, do you have to do all of the other ones on top and then add those to find the tax?
You will see here you will find 10% of 9075, 907.5. Then you will find 36,900 minus 9075. Of that you will calculate 15%. And then let's say that is $100. Then again what happens? Your money is still 125,000. So 125,000 is not in here. So this 89,350 minus 36,900, there will be some money, right? For that you have to calculate 25%. Let's say it is $250. I'm just saying an example. You have to sit and calculate 25% of this difference, 89,350 minus 36,900. And then still we are not done. $125,000 minus 89,350, there will be some money. For that you need to calculate 28%. Let's say that's $300. Now the tax you pay is the sum of all of this. Make sense?
Wait, so does that
Yes.
mean that if you have 36,900 and then you and then you minus 9,700, I mean 9,075, on that you would get how much ever that would be, and then would you subtract that to the 89,350, or
Wait, let me show you an example.
Can I
Wait.
go to the restroom?
What is that, ma?
Can I go to the restroom?
Yeah, go. Quickly go. 1 second, ma. Let me see. Meaning, a smaller number, if you're able to do, then it's easy for you to do this. I really want you to understand this practical aspect. It's so important. Let's see. Give me a minute, guys. Give me a minute, I'll give you. I don't want this.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma?
class is extended for 30 more minutes, all right?
Yeah, is it okay?
Yeah, I'm just asking.
Yes, ma. I'm going to show you. Wait, guys. I really want you to know this because when will you learn this? Give me a minute. Yeah, I do have it, I think. No, I don't have it. Yeah, I do have it. Okay. Okay. So here we have. Yeah. Can I go ahead and share this page with you guys? Okay, we'll do this problem. You can do that problem at home because it's a little longer, but the same concept. Okay, this is our tax table. Okay, the tax table is a little smaller. Okay, that's why I'm picking this up. See, now for the first, see, single person, head of household. Okay, so we are going to determine the tax. Okay, so this is a single person, meaning head of household. Okay, they have not given 3 columns and all. Okay, first you need to pick up whether you are a single earner or it is you are filing jointly with a spouse, or it is the head of household. It just depends. Okay, whichever category you belong to, that column you choose. Now here we are only having head of household. Okay, now the thing is, how much did he earn? Let's see, what was his income. First you need to know that. What was his income? Okay, the table situation, who gets paid weekly. Okay, determine your gross weekly pay. Okay, so what is the gross weekly pay? 15 times 9, right? What is the 15 times 9? Is 45, 4, 9, 1 is 9, 10, 11. Okay, he's getting $135. Okay, this is the weekly pay, weekly taxes we are calculating. Okay, so he's earning around $135. 15 times 9 per week, he's earning $135. Does that make sense, guys? For $135, we are going to calculate the tax. His earning is not in 100,000, just $135. Now, see this table, guys. Over 42, but not over 214 is $0 plus 10%. See, till $42, right? Till $42 there is no tax. Till $42 there is no tax. But if you earn from $42 to $214 that you earned, right, you will have to pay 10% tax. How will you calculate that? You are earning $135. So first 42 is free. Okay, government gives it to you. So subtract that 42. What do you get? 93. Any questions here? So the first $42, no tax. Okay. But the remaining 93 will be charged. You see, 135 falls between this. So, 135 is your income. Whatever is above 42, but till 135, right? How much money is that? 42 to 135 is $93. For that $93, see, this is 135 your income. Okay. The 93 which is exceeding the 42 but falls below 214, right? For that $93, you will have to pay 10% interest. What is the 10% interest? What is 10% of 93? 9.3. $9.3. So the total tax that you pay is what? $9.30. Any questions? Am I making it clear or did you all not get it?
I get it.
I get it.
This one, yeah, I get it. This one.
The same concept there. Okay, I thought you will understand it better. Okay, let's consider another scenario. This guy earned $135, right? Let's go ahead and do for this guy $220. Suppose he's earning $220. Let's do it together, guys. Suppose your earning is $200. What will you do? The first $42 is free, no tax. This is the tax. Okay, now I have accounted for only $42. What is the rest of it? $158 are there, right? So I need to account for it, okay? But you see this table. $42 to $200, 42 to 214. That is very well within our limit. So 200 falls here. So what have we not accounted for? From that 43 to 200, those many dollars I have not accounted for. So 200 subtract the 42. How many dollars I have? 158. For that $158, I will look at this. How much I need to pay? 10%. So 10% means $15.8 I need to pay. Now the total tax, total money I earned is what? This is the total money I earned. How much? $200. $200. What is the total tax I owe? 15.8. Any questions, guys?
No.
Yeah.
So this is what I'm saying. For 1 minute, ma. For a person that earns $135, the tax paid was 9.30. For a person that earns $214, the tax paid was 18.1. That is why I'm saying the system is built in such a way that the more you earn, the more tax you pay. Any questions?
No.
Wait, for the second one? Second one, why did you not subtract by 42?
I didn't subtract by 42. Why? I have
On the
to.
first one you did 135 minus 42. But 158 you didn't subtract by 42.
1 minute, let me check. No. I did, right? Second time I'm earning what? $220 or $200 I was thinking, right? $200 was my income, right?
Oh yeah, my bad.
We did, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the first 42 was free, $0. And then I subtracted 42 and then I put 158 I put, right? For that 158 I charged at 15% of 158. So that will be, what was that? So whatever was that, right? You added both together. Make sense? Naman, did it make sense? Okay. Arya, Sricharan, did you understand?
Yes.
This is a hard part. I don't know. See, whether your school goes through it, nobody is going to ask you questions on that. This is a thing that you need to know. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Wait, never mind. I understand it now.
Siddharth, did you get it?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, great. Now
Can
you all
we
know.
do can we do an over $214?
Yeah, we can do 1 over $214. What amount you want? You want $500?
Okay.
Let's calculate for my $500. I get $500 salary for 1 year. 1 year. Okay, let's say we are only taking an example. So I earn $500 a year. This is my tax bracket. Okay, I file in this. Okay, so for the first 42 I pay. Please, you are going to help me with the calculator. Okay, this is the money I earn. Okay, money I earn. This is the tax I pay. Earn, not eat. Okay, tax. Now $42, no tax. Okay, subtract the 42. What happens here? 458, right? I have $458 still. Okay, oh, that falls within okay, but the thing is 42 to 214 is 10%. What is 42 to 214? Meaning 42 I accounted for already. You see, 42 I already accounted for. So I have to subtract 43 from 2 and 4 because over 42, first $42, every dollar zero cost. From the 43rd dollar I need to account for. So how many dollars is that? So from 214 I'll subtract the 42. I'll subtract the 42. If I subtract the 42, how much is it? Tell me, guys. 172. For that $172, I have to pay 10%. What is the 10%? 10% means $17.2 I need to pay. Make sense? Now, how much is remaining? How much I have accounted for? I have accounted for only $214, correct? So, but my $215, right? From 215 to 739, I am charged 15%, but I am getting only $500. So, $215 from 215 I have to account for. So, I will subtract what? The 214 I already accounted for, right? That I need to subtract from 500. 500 minus 214 is what?
Here's always right there. Here. Oh, I think that I found
Pranav, 500 minus 214 is what?
500 minus 214 is
286.
Yes.
So for that, so now let's not do this. $286. The last $286, I'll be paying 15% of 286. What is that? One of you are going to help me. What is 15% of 286? I can calculate. 28.6 plus 14.3 is the answer. 9. So 41.9. So 41.9 I'll pay. Now the total tax I pay is the sum of this. Total money I earn is $500. For $500 I earn, then I have to pay a tax of 41.9 plus 17.2 plus 0. You got it?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll be paying $59.1 as tax. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So every dollar you pay, you incur a tax on it. Make sense? Okay, let me move on now. So that was a big one actually. Okay, now yeah. I really want you to try this one. 1 second, guys. I really want to try this one. Let's do that one. I'll give you the problem. The budget and all, it's okay, but some of them you really need to know. Yeah, this one. Okay, net worth calculation we have done last week. So I'm not going to do that now. But you know,
I don't think we did net worth. Did we?
ask your friends. Did we do net worth? Sureshta, did we do net worth last week?
Yes.
We did. Okay. So let's go ahead. Simple compound
Yes,
interest we
Priya?
have done. Yes, ma?
Can I go on the light?
Yeah, please go. Okay, now I really want you to do some rebate problems. Rebate means discount, which is a better discount. See, this is what I want you to do. This is an important thing that we need to learn. Okay. Let's see. Hold on. I will give you. Yep. let's see this one. Okay, let's do this. Okay, neighborhood depot, there is a valuable coupon good for $75 off of all TVs smaller than 48 inches, okay, or 100 off of all TVs 48 inches or larger. Okay, now there is a delivery charge of 50. Okay, now I'm going ahead and purchasing a 50-inch Panasonic plasma TV for $69.99. Okay, now please let me know what is the total charge I have to give at the store. What are the things you need to account for? You have to decide which coupon is applicable. You use the coupon, add the delivery charge, add a 8.25% sales tax, then tell me the total delivery charge is there. Huh? Is there a delivery charge? Yes, $50. So add that. See, the delivery charge is paid after. See, first of all, you have to lessen the coupon and then calculate 8.25% tax. That is your total money that you need to pay. But for delivering the TV, you will have to pay $50. You add that and tell me what is the total you owe for this 50-inch Panasonic plasma TV that you buy. I really want the answer from everybody. Let's see.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Did I get it right, Miss Priya?
Were you able to calculate the charge for the plasma TV?
Yes. Is my answer correct, Miss Priya?
Siddharth, good job on the previous answer. I'm checking. Yes, Master Reshta, you got it. Nice. Srihari, that's not correct.
Miss Priya, did I get it right?
I'm checking, ma. Naman, not really. Netra, yes, ma. Jashvita, not really. Pranav, not really. Pranav, what are you doing?
Yeah.
I can help you.
So 69.99 minus $100.
Nikita, correct, ma. Okay, you subtracted $100. So less coupon is $599.99. Which coupon did you use? Did you use a 75 or 100?
The 100?
Yes, because the TV is 48 inches.
Yeah,
It's a lot of comprehension. Okay.
And then
did
plus
you get
$50.
8.25 by 100 times 599.99. What did you get?
Wait, wouldn't I do plus $50 first?
No, that's what I'm saying. First, this is your bill amount. The delivery comes later after you check out the TV.
Oh,
See what
okay.
I
So
mean?
okay.
Yeah, because the delivery charge is only to deliver it at your house, but that doesn't add up to the cost of the TV or the tax.
So we don't have to add that to
Yes, that is practical aspect that you learn.
Okay.
So you need to calculate 8.25% of 599 and add that to 599.99. Now add $50. Make sense?
Yeah.
Miss
Wait,
Priya,
Miss
do
Priya,
I round my answer?
Yeah, you can.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma.
instead of doing 100% off and then plus 50, can you just do minus 50?
Sorry, ma. What is that?
Instead of doing 100%, $100 off, and then add 50 to that, can you just do minus 50?
Naman, tell me. So you subtracted, you got 599.99. After that, what are you saying?
No, I'm saying like, because you know how there's $100 off,
Yeah.
and then the delivery charge is 50. Can you just subtract 50 from the total?
You can't. Why? Good question though. Why do you think you can't? Because the delivery charge does not become a part of the total money or the tax. If you go ahead and subtract the 50 from the 100 and add that 50 to the original charge, you are not doing a proper job. You see, okay, I'll tell you why. Okay, so the actual thing is, what are you going to do? You're going to subtract the coupon. Less coupon is 599.99. Then you're going to calculate 8.25% is the tax, means your 100% plus 8.25, 108.25% of 599. What is this? Somebody please tell me what is the answer for this? What is the answer for this one?
What 699.49.
691.49, huh?
699.
699.49. So this is the total money you owe, and then you add your delivery charge, which comes to 149. I'm sorry.
The 699.49 is plus delivery charge.
Oh, okay. So 649, huh?
Yeah.
649.49. Then you add it to 699.949. Okay, now Naman, you're saying I'll go ahead and subtract. See what happens. He's saying from this 100, he'll subtract the 50. So 50 needs to be added here. Meaning 50 needs to be added to this. That's what you're saying, right, Naman?
I'm saying you subtract 50.
Yeah, sorry.
Because 100.
Yeah, I got it. So you subtract 50, what happens? 649.99. Correct, Naman?
Yeah.
You see what is going, okay, 649.99, but see, the sales tax is applicable for only $599, but you are applying a sales tax to $649. Do you see, you are also applying 8.25% tax for the delivery charge? Do you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
So see what happens if you do that, right? 108.25. Can one of you please tell me, this is incorrect 100%, but tell me what do you get, Naman, for this one?
Huh?
Tell me what is the answer. 108.25 times 649.99 divided by 100. What is the answer?
I got 704.49.
That is the problem. You got it? Meaning, delivery charge should not be subjected to sale tax. Whatever was sold to you attracts a sales tax. The delivery charge cannot be added to calculate the sales tax. You got it, Naman?
Yeah.
Because you added the delivery charge as a part of your sale, you ended up paying the grocer more. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a good one. Okay, this one. No, I don't want to do very similar problems. Okay. I don't want to do this one. Okay. Some of the things you can do at home. This is a good one. Okay, how about this? We are going to do this problem. This one I am not giving to you as homework now. Okay, next week we'll see. First, let's do these. Shiny shampoo cost dollar. If you do this correctly, you can leave. Okay, but you have to be very careful. Cost 6.98 for a 14-ounce bottle. Okay, a 14-ounce bottle. It's a small bottle. 28-ounce bottle is a bigger bottle. It is costing 12.99. Okay, you have $2 coupon good on any size of shampoo. Which bottle is a better buy if you use the coupon? It's a little tricky. You have to calculate in both the cases, apply the $2 coupon and find the money you owe to the shop owner. Which is cheaper is the better buy.
Is the tax rate 8.25?
No, wait, first I need to share the screen. Wait, I am having a tough time sharing the screen.
You already shared the screen.
No, right? Meaning, no, right?
Ma'am, it's 6.98, and then for double that, why is it less?
Is there tax?
No taxes here, ma. They have not confused you. It's pretty
Okay.
easy. Yeah.
Oh, this is.
So how do you calculate this, guys?
Wait,
You apply.
so are we trying to get the bottle that's like better, like?
So you are going to calculate for 1 ounce what is the price in both the cases. You will have to find.
Oh, okay, got it.
For 1 ounce of shampoo, what is the, here you are applying the coupon. So it is
And then
$4.98.
we
But then you are going to
also-
divide by 14 to get price of 1 ounce.
Okay.
Here what happens? Here it will be 10.99 divided by 28, that will be price of 1 ounce.
Okay, got that.
Now 1 ounce price in this case and this case you will compare. Whichever is lower is a better buy. Pranav, did you get it? Siddharth, did you get it?
Yeah.
This becomes a little difficult because it takes time to comprehend. But it's a hard one.
Did I get it right?
I'll check, Amma. I didn't see the answer. Give me 1 minute to check. But these are very nice questions. See, don't just say this is the answer. Tell me for 1 ounce what is the price difference between both. I really want to know per ounce what is the difference.
Wait, no.
Good job, Naman. Good job, Naman. Netra, no ma. See, I did not give you the sales tax with it, okay? See, what is the answer, ma, this one? See, calculate 4.98 by 14 is what, Netra? What is 4.98 by 14?
You do the coupon version by 14, not the regular version. Like not the normal.
No, right? You have a $2 coupon on any size of shampoo. So you have to subtract 2 from both. That is why this becomes 4.98, this becomes 10.99.
Okay, now I understand.
Is my question correct?
Is your question correct or answer?
In answer.
Answer, okay.
Wait, can we go if we got it correct?
No, I want details. Siddharth, don't say just the answer. In each case, what was it you saw? Option B is 0.46. Really, guys? I am so confused now. Each of you are giving me different answers. I think Nikita's is correct. You can leave, ma.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Sreshta, that's right, ma.
Bye.
Bye, ma. See you next week. Vihan, that's correct. Devansh, that's correct. Srihari.
Bye.
Bye, ma. How they Srihari 14 ounce bottle 1 ounce, what is the price? That's not making sense to me. What is 4.98 divided by 14? It will be in cents, it will not be in dollars. Netra correct ma, you can log off. Krishiv correct.
Thank you, Miss Priya. Bye.
Bye ma. Arya Sricharan. Arya Sricharan.
Yeah, post
Yeah,
this.
your answer is perfectly correct ma.
Okay, can I leave?
Yeah ma. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, bye.
Bye ma.
Is my answer
Jashvita.
correct?
Jashvita, that is incorrect. Naman.
Is my answer correct?
Naman, wait. Naman correct.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye ma.
What about me, Miss Priya?
Oh, ma. Pranav, I'm checking. Wait ma. Pranav. 4.9. 4.98 divided by 14 is what? Yeah, that's correct. Something feels wrong, Pranav. 4.98 by 14 is what?
4.98 by
By
14.
14, yeah.
I got 0.49.
0.49. Here it is
0.46.
Yeah, that's all. Yeah, then it's right. Whatever
Alright.
you have is right.
Thank you, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. Siddharth, did you get it? Jashvita, did you get it?
Yeah, I got the answer. I was just gonna send it to you.
Good job. But you got it, which is cheaper?
Yeah, the 28 ounce bottle.
Something feels so wrong, guys. Wait. 4.98 by 14. Wait, Amma.
I got 0.39.
Yeah, that's only right.
Same, me as well.
Yeah, I don't know how those guys got. Something feels wrong, I said. See, this is not correct. What is the answer?
0.3925.
This one? 10.99
Yeah,
by
the
20.
28 one.
Huh?
The 28 ounce one.
3925.
3925.
Correct. 393. What is this? 4.98 by 14. 36 something. So the 14 ounce bottle is only cheaper. You got it? Yes, Jashvita. If you got it, great.
Bye.
Bye, ma. Srihari, you got it?
Is my answer correct?
Siddharth, they gave you the answer, right? Yes, Siddharth, that's correct. Perfectly correct. Make sense? Yeah. Hey,
Bye.
talk to your mom, Siddharth, quick. We are good with the class, right, Siddharth?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I can talk to her. Srihari, you got it? Srihari, you got it?